meron akong nireshoot actually. It is the dying scene of Allen and the grieving of the son. Inayos ko lang yun para it will be more palatable to the taste of Filipino audience. It's more dramatic this time. Last time it was less dramatic. I wanted to try a less dramatic approach, but when I saw it, and some of the people that I trust saw it, sabi, parang kailangan pa ng crime scene, so I extended it. I did a reshoot.
Para ho maging bukod sa dramatic po, direct, na-achieve nyo doon yung message na gusto nyo iparating sa movie. The last time we talked dun sa shoot nito, sa last shooting day ng Fatherland, alam ko po yung gusto mo, nabanggit nyo ni Cherry Pie kanina na may political, ano nga po yung nung movie. So, mas lalo ho yung na-achieve na maparating yung message mismo ng pelikula.
Yes, especially on the relationship between the father and the son. The very title of the film is Fatherland. It connotes something political already. But this is not the kind of politics that you will understand as far as the politics going on now is concerned, which is, I will not say anything anymore.
Tuloy mo lang, direct.
Ha?
Tuloy nyo lang po. Kasi, di ba, April 19 ang showing, malapit na hong
April 19 po ang showing, April 22 po ang amin invitational screening.
Opo, malapit na hong eleksyon. So I think mas nababagay pa na mapanood ito ng lahat po para kung meron man silang matutunan bago sila bumoto.
Nababagay, hindi naman ito nag-endorse ng sino mang kandidato.
Opo.
Nagsasabi lang ito ng totoo ng kalagayan ng bayan natin sa pamamagitan ng paghahanap ng isang ama, isang anak sa kanyang ama. Kasi tatlong personalidad ng kanyang ama. Sa pag-journey ng iyon, paghahanap, nakita niya ang problema ng bansa in the process. Walang na-endorso, walang binabanatan, wala natin. It's just an exposure of what's going on in the country.
Oo. At dagdag ka po ni Kuya Lar, ay paghahanap din po sa tamang ama ba ng ating bayan.
Kayo na mag-design, hindi ako. Kayong mga manonood ang mag-design.
Oh, pero ano po kayo, ano po ang napagtanto mo this time after this film? Ano pong na-realize mo, lalo na ikaw ay masyado kapag involved din, of course, sa mga nangyayari sa ating bansa, bago ho yung eleksyon, ano ang gusto mo sana iparating?
Gusto ko lang sabihin, ang sumulat nito, hindi ako. Ang sumulat nito ay si Roy Iglesias.
Oo, pero yun nga po, bilang na-realize niyo po dito sa movie na to, na meron ho ba kayong na-realize dito? Lalo na sa kalagayan natin ngayon?
Every time that I do a film, I would like to say something. I am not a director who does a film who does not say anything. Every film that I did would like to say something. At this particular point, I would like to say something.
That?
The son looking for the dad, at the same time looking for the love, at the same time exposing the ailment of the society. That's what I would like to say. I think I have achieved that.
Ganda.